Hello everyone, my name is Deep Tiwari. Again, you welcome our new video. Today I am explaining our profile page. First video I am also explaining our home page, and second I am explaining here our profile page. Firstly, we run our profile page. You can see in interface with browser. Uh, Now I am explaining our code. Uh, Firstly, we use here some boilerplate. You can see here. Doc type tells, I think you know, doc type tells browser is written HTML5 or not, use latest version or not. And inside we use HTML tag. HTML tags that tells and wraps entire the web page inside everything, our codes and layouts. And second thing, we use head tag. Head tag section contains all data inside the code we use of our code. And second thing is title page. Title page means he is tells browser title. When we run our server, then he appear here profile.html, our browser page, my profiles. Okay. And second thing, head we are using close our heading, and inside we use a body. Body is the main part of our web page. When we write our anything, he show on interface like my profile, personal details, education. He writes our entire user interface, I think. And header, we use header. Second here, use header means like a is a top of our web page. uh, like here you can see is our top web page, uh, is called header section, my profiles. And we are using h1 heading tag. Is a uh, is a big heading, and my profile is the main content of our page. So I can use h1 tag here. And second thing is we are close our header tag, and then we is now define for navigation. His work on clarify menu and links that tells browser or search engine he is navigating another page. And inside we use UL on order list. On order list, inside we use links. And we again we using a tag. A tag defined for anchor tag. Anchor tag, and here is href ref. His attribute of anchor tag, and he's a clickable link. He provide clickable link. When we use this link, then we booked another link, another page, sorry. And this type of using list courses or feedback and grades. When we click our home page, then we go out, move the other page. Okay. And here is I am using hr. Hr means horizontal lines. Is providing horizontal lines. Here I am using hr text. And second thing is main tag. Main tag, like when we use main content of our page, then we use main tag. uh, Inside main tag, we use image screen, because I want to uh, oh, here take our photos and click here, and help of image screen tag, and his alt means alternative. When we use alternative or alternative names, here is Deep Tiwari I am using, and his width 250 and height is 250. We are measuring our width. And second thing is, we use inside ES2 subheading of header tag, and again inside using a p tag. P means p denoted by paragraphs, our names, and student IDs, email. Here you can see our personal details. And second thing is, we use again yes to take my skills, my educations in list, on order list, because we want to some dots here, you can see. And again we use yes to my yes to tag, because it's a subheading of heading tag, not a main tag. And again we are using list in our unorder list. And second thing is my goals, and we are closing our main tag. At last, we are using footer. Footer is a top of bottom, sorry, top of bottom. And again we are using HR, horizontal line. We are using in this page horizontal line. A is dynamic or attractive, looking for our profile page. And second thing is here copy, sorry, and 2000 pages in paragraph tag. And we are closing our footers and bodies and HTML. Thank you so much.